Video opens with a fast-paced montage of storage almost full notifications popping up on different phone screens, accompanied by frustrated user reactions. Is this you? Tapping away, ready to capture that perfect moment, record a hilarious video, or download that app everyone's talking about, and bam! Storage almost full. It's the digital equivalent of a brick wall, right? The most infuriating notification in the modern world. You start frantically deleting old photos, but it barely makes a dent. You feel like you need a new phone. But what if I told you that in the next few minutes, you could free up not just 1 or 2, but potentially dozens of gigabytes of space without deleting your precious memories? And no, I'm not talking about the obvious empty your trash advice. We're going deep. Stick with me because your phone is about to feel brand new again. All right, let's get straight to it. The biggest, sneakiest storage hog on your phone isn't what you think. It's not your photos or even your videos. It's app cache. Think of cache as a temporary storage closet for apps. Every time you scroll through Instagram, watch a TikTok, or browse a website, the app saves little bits of data to help it load faster next time. Over time, this temporary closet becomes a massive, cluttered hoard of junk you don't need. For apps like TikTok, Instagram, and even your web browser, this can swell to multiple gigabytes. So how do we clean it out? It's super simple. If you're on an Android, go to your settings, then apps, find a specific app like Chrome or Instagram, tap on storage, and you'll see a glorious button that says, Clear Cache. Tap it. Boom! Instant space. For iPhone users, it's a little different. Apple handles cache more automatically, but some apps get out of control. The best way is to offload the app. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. You'll see a list of your apps sorted by size. Tap on a large app, and you'll get the option to offload app. This removes the app itself, but keeps all your documents and data. When you reinstall it, it's like a fresh start, and all that bloated cache is gone. Do this for your top 5 biggest apps, and you'll be amazed at the space you reclaim. Now for our second secret weapon, and this one is a game changer, especially if you use messaging apps like WhatsApp or Telegram. These apps are amazing, but they have a sneaky habit. They automatically download every single photo, video, GIF, and voice note that anyone ever sends you, even in those huge group chats you muted months ago. Imagine years of good morning images and cat videos just sitting there, clogging up your phone's memory. Let's put a stop to this. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Storage and Data. In the Media Auto Download section, you'll see options for Wi-Fi and cellular. Go into each one and uncheck everything. Photos, audio, videos, documents. From now on, nothing will be saved to your phone unless you manually tap to download it. You are now in control. But what about all the junk that's already there? Back in the Storage and Data menu, tap Manage Storage. WhatsApp will brilliantly show you all the large files and which chats are taking up the most space. You can easily go in there and bulk delete all those old, forgotten videos and memes. I once freed up over 15 gigabytes just from this one trick alone. Do the same for Telegram and other messaging apps you use. It's a total game changer. Okay, let's talk about photos and videos, the memories you actually want to keep. You don't have to delete them to save space. We just need to store them smarter. Most people don't realize that you have access to an incredible amount of free cloud storage. If you have a Google account, you get 15 GB of free space with Google Photos. It can automatically back up every photo and video you take. Once they're safely in the cloud, Google Photos has a brilliant feature called Free Up Space. With one tap, it will find all the photos and videos that have been successfully backed up and delete the original copies from your device. You can still see and access every single photo through the app anytime you have an internet connection, but they are no longer taking up precious local storage. For Apple users, iCloud Photos works in a similar way. Go to your settings, tap your name at the top, then iCloud, then Photos. Make sure Sync This iPhone is on, and then, this is the crucial part, select Optimize iPhone Storage. This does something magical. It keeps full-resolution versions of your photos and videos in iCloud, but leaves smaller, space-saving versions on your phone. When you want to view or edit a photo, it instantly downloads the full-quality version. It's the best of both worlds. All your memories are accessible, but they don't clog up your device. Setting this up is a one-time fix that will save you from storage headaches forever. Here's a ninja trick most people completely miss: offline maps and media. Do you use Spotify or Netflix? By default, you might be downloading entire playlists or series for offline use and then forgetting about them. Open Spotify, go to your library, and check the downloaded filter. See anything you don't listen to anymore? Swipe and remove that download. Now check Netflix. Go to the My Netflix tab and then Downloads. You might find a whole season of a show you binged 6 months ago just sitting there, taking up a massive amount of space. Delete it. The same goes for Google Maps or Apple Maps. Did you download a map of a city for a vacation last year? Go into the app's settings and find the Offline Maps section. Delete those old maps you no longer need. This is found money, or in this case, found storage. Finally, let's do a deep dive into the other storage category. This is that mysterious gray bar that seems to grow on its own. It's a mix of system files, caches, voice memos, and other miscellaneous data. While we've cleared a lot of it with the cache clearing trick, sometimes you need to do a full system refresh. The most effective way to clear out stubborn other data is to back up your phone and then restore it. On an iPhone, you'd back up to iCloud or your computer, then go to Settings at General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings. It sounds scary, but once you restore from your backup, you'll have all your important data back, but your phone will feel faster, and that mysterious other storage will be significantly smaller. For Android, a similar factory reset process after a backup achieves the same result. It's like a spring cleaning for your phone's soul. So, let's do a quick recap. First, we cleared out the bloated app cache, our #1 storage thief. Second, we stopped messaging apps from auto-downloading media and cleaned out the old junk. Third, we moved our precious photos and videos to the cloud using Google Photos or iCloud to optimize storage. Fourth, we hunted down and deleted forgotten offline media from apps like Netflix and Spotify. And finally, for the ultimate cleanse, we learned how to tackle that mysterious other storage with a backup and restore. If you follow even just 2 or 3 of these steps, I guarantee you'll see a massive difference. You don't need to buy a new phone. You just needed to know where to look. Your phone is a powerful tool, and now you have the power to keep it running lean and mean. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips were as mind-blowing for you as they were for me when I first discovered them. If this video helped you reclaim your phone's storage, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And for more tech tips and tricks that will make your life easier, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Let me know in the comments how many gigabytes you managed to free up. I can't wait to see. See you in the next video.